Our focus for the interior design of the new Macan was obviously to ensure that it looks like a genuine Porsche. For us, this meant decisions like aligning the dashboard horizontally, as you can see here. This feature beautifully emphasizes the width and delivers an uncluttered finish. The driver's attention should be on the road, after all. The element that really makes this vehicle a Macan is the fact that the design is fundamentally more robust. You can see this here at the doors, but also in this section on the passenger side. The design is really three-dimensional, with prominent decoration in the form of this beautiful highlight frame that surrounds the screen. We've added a completely new infotainment system on a wide 11-inch display. The new screen also gave us the scope to do something slightly different with other elements of the design. The air vents now sit lower down, but this gives us more space for the display itself and operation. We've also added some great little details to the air vents. Here are the little loops, as we call them. This detail also links with the emphasis on width that we like to achieve in Porsche interiors. Obviously, the colors, but also the high-quality finish of the materials are essential for a striking design in the interior. As you would expect, these choices were made with the aim of adding bold touches to the design of the new Macan.